Yo, what is up? Man, beautiful day. Again, I swear down. Yesterday was raining though, it was like crazy rain, like a typhoon rain after the earthquake, which was very worrying. Like, the earth is basically dying at this point. Today is very exciting. I have always wanted to see these guys. Like literally, I've coming to Japan, knowing it for the first time, it's crazy to think that it's a real thing. So I really want to see them and experience it. So Ayako was the only one that's free, so I kind of took her along. So Ayako's here with me. She's in the toilet right now. But yeah, excited to see our ancestral traits. I don't really understand all that, but yeah, we're on our way to see some monkeys. I'm gonna go to the toilet now. Second stop at a parking stop. We're just halfway. It's a 4-hour drive to where we're about to go. So I'm hopefully like another hour of driving, it's gonna start snowing, because I'm a little bit worried. Because the whole thing is, monkeys, snow, and like hot bath. So I'm really hoping it's gonna be snowing down there. Man, but it's like super sunny. The weather's like super great. I hate that. I really hate that. I want it to snow so bad. But hopefully another hour of driving will get us into the white world of like snow and shit. So alright. Another 2 hours of driving. God. Whew. Oh. After 4, no, I'm gonna say 5. After all the stops that we took, 5 hours of going up mountains, down mountains, up again, down again, through streams of water. Well, we didn't really go through, passing bridges and all that. 5 hours. That's 5 hours just to see some goddamn monkeys. This is stupid. But I'm actually excited. Snow. Like I said, snow came. Oh, it's super cold. Fun fact, did not know this, first time coming here. The parking, there's like multiple parkings around the mountain, the hill, I'm guessing. The furthest one is like 1 hour walk to the entrance. Oh my god, slush. The 25 minutes away parking was open. So we got the 25-minute walk. The air is very thin here. God. Oh. Okay, there you go. See? You got the entrance, then you got stairs. Please don't tell me you got 25 minutes of stairs. Oh. assuming that sign means we're almost there. It was so long. The mountain route was very tiring, very slippery. So had to balance it out That's not what I mean. Had to balance while walking, so felt like being a toddler again. But I guess it's fitting to go see our ancestors. So yeah, okay, I see it, we're almost there. We have just arrived at the actual entrance. Look at this shit. Look at that. Man, these monkeys better be worth it. Let's go. Almost there. It wasn't that bad. It was just those 3 sets of stairs, I think. And then the big hill to this beautiful, beautiful building. And I'm assuming we gotta go up a little bit more. I really hope not, but yeah, maybe. Okay, got our tickets. We still got a long way to walk. Oh my god. Oh, yo! It's not just monkeys. Monkeys are just like roaming. Oh look, like a family of monkeys just come up. Oh my god. Oh, that's crazy. Oh my god. Literally, just normally, like monkeys everywhere, just everywhere. Everywhere except for the bath. No one is in the bath. Oh, there's one guy right there, but he's drinking the bath. Well, I mean, like they're up in the mountains, but yeah, they're not coming in the water. 4-5 hours drive. Totally worth it. I mean, look how close we are. I don't want to be too close, but look how close we are to the monkeys. Like literally, like one of them touched me and I freaked out. So yo, look how, like, it's crazy. Like we are literally in their habitat. Like this is like National Geographic shit. This is like so cool. Oh man, there's like a family down there. Family of monkeys playing, which is really hard for us to like get past go through the path. But yeah, that's where I got touched and I kind of picked out. But yo, it's crazy to be in. I mean, I thought it was like a zoo. I don't know why. I thought it was like a zoo, like we had, but it's literally look, literally coming near me. Look how close that is. Oh, walking through 2 monkeys. My god, that's scary. But it's so crazy. I mean, they're so used to humans that they don't even attack. I mean, like, it's like birds in cities. Like, they are really, like, used to humans. It's crazy. Like, touching us is like a normal thing. They're basically curious George. Like, it's like they're very curious with everything. They're looking at my camera like crazy. You see that one monkey that was looking at my camera? Yeah. It was a super interesting experience. But that's it. That's literally it. I mean, would love to see them soaking in the bath, but I mean, yeah, no one was inside. I mean, it's not that cold maybe for them. Super cold for us, but yeah, okay, that's fun. Literally drove 5 hours for just that. We're going back. I guess after eating dinner. But yeah, we're going back. Alright. Hot pot. We're gonna eat some hot pot. We're gonna eat some. Wait, do I have the key? I do have the key. Super cold tonight. Alright. We're gonna get some hot pot. Cause it's very cold. I rather have Korean barbecue, but then she said hot pot. So we're gonna get some hot pot. And I'm not gonna complain because it's super cold. Hot, spicy umakara. That's why we got it. That's why we say in Japanese umakara. Broth, and we got a normal beef broth, a wagyu. Is it wagyu? Oh, it's a wagyu broth. Ooh, fancy. Now we're just gonna wait for the meat, the veg, some stuff, and. And we should be ready to be eating. Ready to be. I'm hungry. My brain is not. Oh. Bye. Let's get there. Bye. Alright, that concludes today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I totally enjoyed looking at those monkeys. Oh my god, so cute. That being said, I am super excited. I mean, I shouldn't, to be honest, travel that much here as I'm coming into the garbage area for my house. Okay, I shouldn't really. Oh, she's still here. What the fuck? What is she doing? I really want to travel more and see places in Japan that I haven't. I mean, I don't know what's going on with my browser, but it's been popping out all these interesting places in Japan. And it's like outside of Tokyo, which I can't really travel, but I really want to. So, I mean, that's what I decided today. Anyways, I thought I'd go see some monkeys and taking bath. I mean, it's only winter, so that was yeah, I really had to do it by February because that's when winter ends. Anyways, maybe next trip, will you be there?
Sure.
And probably more friends. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I totally did with the monkeys and all that cuteness. Give this video a like if you guys like it. Subscribe if you haven't, and yeah, check out my Instagram, other social medias and all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Say bye. Bye.
Bye.
Drive safe. Bye.